I can hear the fans going in the back. Fire's right up. Awesome. Put our seatbelts on, and we'll take it around the block real quick, just to give you guys an idea of the overall driving experience. And I will say, going from a BMW 2002 the other day to this, I feel like I am driving a monster of a car, but in a good way. I don't want you to make it sound like I'm complaining or anything like that, but away we go. What you have to get used to is you're almost like sitting on top of the engine, and there's very little in between the front of you. So I think that's why it's pretty commonplace to put those bash bars in the front in case you ever got into a front end collision, just for your own well-being. Van's very smooth. It's got power windows, power locks. I just heard the locks lock up in the back, which is nice. And everything works on this. I believe it's even got AC too. But I'll just leave it off for the video. We're just gonna be taking it around the block real quick. And as we go uphill, it really accelerates very well. These diesel engines are always really torquey. I'm not sure what the exact towing capacity is, but there's definitely a tow hitch in the back if you want to tow some stuff back there. Definitely gives you that option. And with the automatic transmission, it's very easy to operate. As long as you just get used to being on the opposite side of the road when you're driving, it's like a camper van. No real crazy performance specs here or anything, but you know, you're looking at this from the perspective of somebody wanting to take this on a road trip, not on a racetrack. Transmission's very smooth. No like weird lunging or anything like that. It's very refreshing, especially for this year of car. But let me know what you guys think down in the comments down below. Really curious to see what you guys think about the Nissan Caravans. We've done the Mitsubishis and the Toyotas so far, so this is a first for the channel at least, to have a Nissan camper van on here. And I feel like this one for some reason feels the most compact out of all the other ones that I've driven, even though it is quite a large vehicle. For whatever reason, it feels a little bit livelier. It feels like I don't know, it feels like a large station wagon in a weird way, but I know it's definitely not. And we'll take the infamous left turn where I accidentally turn on the wipers instead of the signal stalks, and that was completely unintentional. And yeah, man, this is a really fun little car. But I think we can just end the video here. So, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.